In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix file upload problems in ChatGPT. If you're trying to upload a file and it's not working, don't worry. In most cases, the issue is caused by something simple, and you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the most effective things to check so you can get your file uploaded successfully. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. File uploads depend on a stable connection, so if your Wi-Fi is weak or your internet is cutting in and out, the upload may fail or get stuck. Try opening a few websites or running a quick speed test just to confirm everything is working normally. Next, refresh ChatGPT and try uploading the file again. Sometimes the problem is just a temporary glitch with the page, and a refresh can reset the session and solve it right away. After the page reloads, go back and attempt the upload one more time. You should also make sure the file type is supported. If ChatGPT doesn't accept the format you're trying to upload, it may reject the file without much explanation. Double check the file extension and confirm that it's a supported type before continuing. Another helpful fix is to rename the file if it has special characters. Symbols or unusual formatting in the file name can sometimes interfere with uploads. Keep the name simple by using standard letters, numbers, and basic spacing if needed. If the file is too large, reduce the file size before trying again. Large files can exceed upload limits or take too long to process. You can compress the file, lower the resolution if it's an image or PDF, or save a smaller version depending on the file type. If the issue continues, try uploading from a different browser or device. Sometimes the problem is specific to the browser you're using or even to a particular computer or phone. Switching to another browser can quickly tell you whether that's the cause. You can also clear your browser cache if the problem keeps happening. Cached data can sometimes create conflicts with websites, especially after updates or repeated failed attempts. Once the cache is cleared, restart the browser and try again. Finally, sign out of your account and sign back in before uploading the file again. This can refresh your session and resolve account-related hiccups that may be preventing the upload from working properly. If you go through these steps carefully, you'll solve the problem in most cases and be back to uploading files without trouble.